Hi
Hi
everyone,
everyone, I'm Sarah
I'm Aqilah.
and we
We
are
are
COSEC
COSEC
team
team from
from
Altomate.
Altomate. So we're going to talk about the benefits of Sdn.Bhd and also the conversion of enterprise to a Sdn.Bhd. Okay, so first of all, it's the benefit. We talk about benefits. Okay, so as far as I know, these benefits of Sdn.Bhd is they have a limited liability protection. It's the same as the separate legal entity. Okay, which means if there's anything happen to the company, the owner of the company only liable to the shares that they contribute to the company. Meaning, for example lah, kalau ada bankruptcy, if there's a bankruptcy or any or the company want to need to wind up or anything, so diorang punya liable only to the paid up share capital. So they will not affect their own personal asset. Eh, because kalau enterprise memang kalau lah dia punya personal asset tu kalau lah dia punya company asset tu tak boleh nak bayar all those debtors or and everything, creditors, diorang kena, I mean the liability tu including their personal asset, rumah, kereta and everything memang akan affected lah kan. So dia tak boleh nak lari mana lah memang. So that's why the reason kenapa ada orang yang bankrupt sampai macam tu, yang lelong rumah lah, whatever semua tu kan. And then the next one is the credibility. Sdn.Bhd, diorang ni ada like more credibility and also more reputable than the enterprise. Because why? Bila you dah ada Sdn.Bhd, bila business you dah jadi Sdn.Bhd, the investor and also macam investor, client or supplier ke apa, diorang lagi convince untuk do business with you, because Sdn.Bhd is something yang macam kiranya kuat lah, maksudnya untuk nak jadi ni kan, you dah ada Sdn.Bhd sendiri kot kan, so senang lah diorang nak bagi shares ke apa benda, nak invest berapa ke, it's easy kan. Itulah. So I mean it's good lah kan for someone yang nak grow the business and everything.
So pertaining to the credibility, right? Okay, so Sdn.Bhd ni is the business entity yang easy to access to the funding lah. They may have time to access to the funding from and they are more recognizable from the legal entity such as bankers, lawyers ke kan. Sebab usually directors ni macam they apa make a business and then they rasa macam they ada profit apa semua tu, so from the profits tu dia nak guna duit company to apply for loan, macam marah ke tekun kan. So for Sdn.Bhd, it will be easier for the directors or the company to apply for the loans lah. And then access funding lah, macam dia nak funding for the business,
investor,
from banker kan. Okay, and then the tax benefits. That is the most interesting benefits of the Sdn.Bhd. Yang usually selalu directors macam dia nampak tu dulu. Then dia fikir to jump to Sdn.Bhd. Okay, so tax benefit, the Sdn.Bhd may enjoy the tax benefits lah, and they have like more safety on the tax computation. Sebab bila Sdn.Bhd ni they have company secretary, auditor, tax agent yang uruskan all these matters yang macam tax, auditors, accountant like kan.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Kalau enterprise, the business owner dia kena buat sendiri semua.
Betul.
From A to Z kan.
Yes,
From dia register the company, renew the business, renew license
Mhm.
business, semua kena buat sendiri. But then kalau Sdn Bhd director, ada company secretary, ada advisor lah from the company secretary, tax agent, and
Yes, to
auditor.
ensure the compliance kan.
And Sarah, I nak explain lah macam the chargeable income for tax rate untuk Sdn Bhd ni.
Okay.
So dia lagi better from the enterprise. Maybe director akan nampak macam enterprise ni dia punya tax rate rendah. But then if you incorp Sdn Bhd, tax rate dia for enterprise, first year or the yearly income, let's say I bagi example 100k kan, so yearly income dia. So for 2020, let's say 100k. But for tax rate untuk enterprise, it will be 10,000 macam tu. 10,700. But then for Sdn Bhd, dia akan jadi 70,000. But for first year je. For the second year, untuk enterprise, dia punya tax rate will be higher, which is I bagi kalau 2020 dia punya tax rate is 10,700. And then for the next year, so for the second year, dia punya yearly income let's say dah jadi 250k. So dia punya tax rate will be 46,700.
Okay.
But for Sdn Bhd, kalau yearly income dia for the next year within 250k, and dia punya tax rate will be lesser than the last year, which
so
is
actually they can save more lah on
they
the
can
tax
save more. So our viewer pun boleh tengok kita ada this pop up chargeable income lah, the example lah.
And also what I can add more is Sdn Bhd, they have a perpetual existence. Maksudnya the company which is the Sdn Bhd can continue to exist even the director or the shareholder tu tukar berapa banyak kali ke apa benda semua pun, the company is still can exist macam biasa because of the separate legal entity.
Yes.
which is relate to the first benefit tadi tu kan. Because unlike the enterprise, kalau lah the company kalau lah the owner tu pass away or anything, the ownership of the business, maksudnya the business tu akan terus mati juga. Dia akan automatically close juga because of the sole proprietor, sole owner tu. Kalau company dia ada shareholders and everything, so dia akan continue to exist lah. Kalau anak beranak dia ke siapa ke, dia nak continue the business, so it's not a problem. And also to transfer the shares also, it's very easy, which yang tu mostly company secretary lah yang akan buat the documentation and also the process from A to Z. And it's very easy, kita akan liaise with the LHDN and everything. But it's not something yang very roommate or something. So it's a good time for you to change, to convert the enterprise to be a Sdn Bhd kan. And Aqilah, I am sure our viewers here nak tahu macam mana, since I am very sure ramai dah ada enterprise sekarang ni kan, tapi mungkin diorang tak tahu macam mana cara nak convert the enterprise to Sdn Bhd. Maybe you can explain more about this.
Basically dia tak adalah shortcut to transfer from enterprise to Sdn Bhd macam okay, so basically you kena the business owner or director kena incorp the new Sdn Bhd.
So basically what are the requirements yang basic one lah untuk yang macam nak incorp Sdn Bhd ni?
So the requirements kita back to basic requirements to Sdn Bhd, which is the directors or shareholder must have at least RM1 minimum paid capital, and then all directors must not declare bankrupt lah, and of course residing in Malaysia. So if you are the foreigner, so you kena cari lah nominee directors yang from Malaysia, to be the director lah. Sebab it will be easier for the untuk open bank account ke nanti kan.
Yes.
Okay, and then of course kena ada appoint company secretary within 30 days from the incorporation date.
If the person ada compound sebelum tu, kan contohlah dia dah ada company baru ke apa benda, kalau dia nak buka a new company boleh ke?
Usually compound tu memang compulsory untuk settlekan dululah to SSM. Sebab kalau ada compound memang automatically nama you akan or your company memang akan blacklist terus dalam sistem SSM. So any changes memang tak boleh buat dalam sistem SSM.
So basically we have to ensure that all the directors is tak blacklist, tak bankrupt and everything kan. Okay. So about the enterprise just now. If let's say the enterprise already macam dah in the business for a long time, so they have their own asset, right? So what should we do with the asset? Can it be transferred to the company, or dia kena personal, or is just a personal asset, or how?
Actually regarding assets ni, usually kalau company secretary kita akan bagi to the accountant or auditor lah to check on the asset listing, whether the assets can be transferred or transferable to the Sdn.Bhd. So sebab sometimes assets ni mostly dah lama, dah macam 5 years ago, macam let's say you beli company car. Contoh you beli company car dalam under your name tapi enterprise untuk business. But then you beli tu 2008. And then benda tu dah lama. We will be afraid that accountant auditor dia tak approve lah benda tu untuk transfer to Sdn.Bhd.
Sebab the depreciation punya cost, right?
Yes. It is not all assets lah boleh transfer to. But then untuk transfer asset to Sdn.Bhd, kalau company secretary dia akan ada few documentations. There will be a lot of black and white lah kalau you buat any changes ke appoint. So and then kalau you dah transfer all the assets and then you confirm assets dekat enterprise tu dah tak ada. Let's say you ada loan to okay, for example Tekun, masih enterprise you ada loan dengan Tekun, you kena tukar. I mean you kena apply baru for the Sdn.Bhd. You cannot,
tak boleh nak transfer,
you tak boleh
lah,
transfer loan tu to Sdn.Bhd. Okay, and then lastly memang kena close down the enterprise kalau you dah sedia ada Sdn.Bhd dekat SSM or counter by counter or EBs.
Okay. So I think that's all for today, for our discussion today.
We hope our viewer dapatlah sedikit
sebanyak information.
Thank you for watching
and stay tuned for the next episode.
Bye.